Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our first lesson on handwriting. Today, we're going to practice writing our first and last name and practice writing the entire date for the day that it is. If you are struggling with some letters, if you need a little bit of a review, there's a video that was posted before this one that you can go and watch, and it reviews how to write every uppercase and lowercase letter of the entire alphabet. So before we start writing, remember we need to have a good sitting posture. We need to sit up nice and straight with our back against the back of the chair, with our feet planted firmly on the floor with uncrossed legs. And remember, when we write, we're going to start at the top and go to the bottom. And we always start left from right. So we're first going to practice writing our name. If you're not quite sure how to spell your name, ask the person that's helping you today how to spell your name correctly. Maybe they could write it down for you at the top of your paper. So, my name is Kayla, and I'm going to start with spelling my name, and you can watch me, and then I want you to practice spelling your name. So, my first name is Kayla. I'm going to start with a capital K. I'm going to start at the top line. Make sure my pen's working first. I'm going to start at the top line and go the whole way down. Then I'm going to start at the top line and go to the middle line, and then from the middle to the bottom of the lines. So that is a capital K for Kayla. And remember, the first letter of our name is always an uppercase letter because our name is a proper noun. Then the rest of my name is going to be written in lowercase letters. So the next letter of my name is an A. I'm going to start at the middle line for lowercase. I'm going to make my curve for my A. I'm going to go back to the top of the middle line and go the whole way down to the bottom line. I'm going to practice my Y. Remember, it's lowercase, so when it's lowercase, I start at the middle line, go the whole way down to the bottom line, back up, and then down around for my Y. I have an L. An L, and lowercase l, starts at the very top line and comes the whole way down. Then I'm going to do another A, and then down. So that's my first name, Kayla. Now I'm going to make sure I use my thumb and make a space mark, and then I'm going to start my last name. Remember to put that thumb in there to make your space mark between your first and last name. And now I'm going to spell my last name, and my last name is Hostetler. It's a really big name, right? So if you're not quite sure how to spell your last name, make sure that the person helping you tells you how to spell it, or they could just write it at the top of the paper for you. So I'm going to start with Hostetler. I put my thumb down to space out between my first name. I'm going to start with an uppercase H, because the first letter of our last name is always an uppercase letter because our last name is a proper noun. So I made my H. Now I'm going to make my O, my S, a T, start at the top the whole way down, come back to the middle, an E, make sure my E connects the whole way. I struggle with that sometimes on paper. Another T, an L, another E. See, I have to make that E connect. And finally, an R. Great! Now let's practice writing your name. Go ahead and write your name out on your lined paper. Keep going. Okay, if you're not done writing your first name and your last name, just go ahead and click pause on this video. If you're done, you can go ahead and keep listening. But if you still need some more time, that's completely fine. Just hit pause on the video, and when you're done writing your name, you're going to hit play again. All right, so I wrote my first and last name, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to practice writing our first and last name again. So let's start at the top. Remember, our first name is an uppercase letter. Our first letter of our first name is an uppercase letter. And then the rest of it is going to be lowercase. And you can practice writing your name as I do this. And then after you got your first name, you're going to go ahead and write your last name. Again, the first letter of our last name is an uppercase letter, and make sure you measured your thumb space in between. And the rest of the letters are going to be lowercase. Great job. Keep writing that first and last name. Wonderful. So when you get done writing your first and last name a second time, go ahead and practice writing your first and last name a third time. Third time's the charm. The more we practice, the better we get. So after you write your name 2 times, we're going to write it one more time for the third time. And if you're not done, you can go ahead and hit pause on the video. And when you're done writing your name the third time, you can go ahead and hit play again. So I'm going to pause and write my name on my paper and practice. And you can go ahead and do that too. Great job on writing your first and last name. Now we're going to practice writing the date. So after you are accomplished at writing your name at the top of your papers, you're going to have to practice writing the date. So you're going to need the adult that's helping you to write the date for you above your practice paper. Now I'm going to use the date it is on the day I'm filming this video, which is not the date that it is when you're doing this work. So have the adult help you with the correct date. You want to practice writing every different month of the year. By the end of first grade, you should be able to write all of the different months. So today's date where I'm at and I'm working is July 28th, 2020. So again, we got to make sure we have the right good sitting posture. So we're sitting up, our back against the chair, our feet uncrossed, planted firmly on the floor. We're going to make sure we're holding our pencil in the correct positions. And we're going to start. We always start from top to down and then left to right. So today I said is July. So I'm going to start at the top, use my J, make sure it touches all the lines. I'm going to make my U, my L, and a Y for July, right? So July. Remember, the first letter is an uppercase letter because July is a proper noun. Okay, so to make my 2, if you struggle with writing the letter 2, there's also a video recapping how to trace and write your numbers. So if you need extra practice on that, you can go ahead and look at that video, and there are also some worksheets that you can download to practice that the adult in your household can help you with. So I'm going to say it's July 28th. So I'm going to start with my 2, maybe, if my pen works for me here. I'm going to bring it down to that line and back. Then I'm going to make my 8 down to the center line and back. And then I'm going to put a comma after the date. And then I'm going to write 2, 0, another 2, because the year is 2020, and then another 0. Great. So that's how we write out our date. Today is July 28th, 2020. So I just practiced. Now ask your adult that is helping you and assisting you to write the date for you across the top of your handwriting paper, and I want you to practice writing the full date out. So go ahead and press pause on this video and write out the full date. When you're done writing out the full date, hit play to finish the instructions. Great, welcome back. I'm so glad you were able to write out the full date. So just as we did before with our name, we're going to practice writing the date. Again, the more we practice, the better we will get at our handwriting. So make sure you're sitting in good posture, your legs are uncrossed, and you have your pencil held correctly with the correct grip. Again, we're going to write the month, Remember, the first letter of the month is an uppercase letter and the rest of the letters are lowercase because it's a proper noun. We're going to write the date. Remember, after the date is a comma. And then we're going to write the year. It is the year 2020, so everyone's year should be the same when we're writing this. Okay, continue practicing now on your own. Go ahead and hit pause on the video and write the full date a second time. Okay, last time, let's practice a third time writing out the month with an uppercase letter and lowercase rest of the letters. The first letter should be uppercase. The day with your numbers, and then the year. Great job writing your first and last name today and the date.